Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's expression is to squirrel away. To squirrel away. To squirrel away. It means to save money little bit by little bit over a year or a lifetime. So saving small amounts of money over a long period of time, keeping it safe. Like a squirrel who collects its nuts in the summer and stores them, hides them for winter. So, a squirrel is the little animal that everyone loves. Well, some people don't love. Some people are a little bit frightened of them. But I love them. Most people love them. Who live in the woods and the parks and the trees. They've got a big bushy tail and they look like little rodents. And they gather their nuts throughout the summer and the autumn, and they hide them in the trees and they bury them in the ground and they keep them for winter. So they've got lots to eat when everything else is asleep. I squirrel away biscuits. Okay, so the important part here is the pronunciation of squirrel. It's difficult for a lot of native English speakers, so I'm going to break it down for you. Squirrel. So here we go, very slowly. It has 2 syllables, so 2 sounds to the word. Squirrel. 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 Roll. 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 Okay. Try the first sound with me. Squaw. 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 Excellent, I think. And now the second sound. Roll. 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 Brilliant. Now blend it together. 2 sounds. Squirrel. 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 Try it by yourself. Brilliant. If you're still having difficulty with that pronunciation, it's a very, very complicated set of blended sounds there. The W-U-H sound can be separated for you to practice. So the first sound, sk, 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 w, 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 roll, 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 squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Okay, you can practice that by yourself. Best of luck with that. So, I am off to dig up some of my squirreled biscuits that I have squirreled away over the last few weeks and have a cup of tea. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. It is a very difficult word, but with breaking it down like that, it can be very useful. So, please join me every day for another high-frequency English word, phrase or expression. Please give me a thumbs up if you like squirrels, and even better, please subscribe. And I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.